In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from ActiveCampaign. This is a super helpful skill, whether you're moving your contacts to another platform, creating a backup, or simply need to analyze your data elsewhere. Let's dive right in. To start, we'll want to navigate to the Contacts section in the left-hand menu of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is essentially your main hub for all contact management activities and where you'll need to be to kick off the export process. Once you're there, take a moment to look over your contact list and decide if you want to export all your contacts or just a specific subset. If you only need certain contacts, you can use the search feature or even the advanced search to precisely filter those contacts. It's a handy way to tailor your export to just what you need. With your contacts chosen, your next move is to locate the ellipsis, those three little dots in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on them. You'll see a menu pop up, and from there, you'll select Export. Now, a modal window will appear with a few options for you to fine-tune your export. First, you'll want to provide a name for your export file. Take note, it's best to avoid using any special characters like exclamation points or $signs when naming your file. Keeping it clean and simple will avoid potential issues later on. After that, you'll have the option to select specific fields you want to include in the export. This is a chance to pick and choose only the information you need, making your file more manageable and relevant. If, however, you prefer to play it safe and include everything, look for the Other Fields option and select all available fields. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click the Export button. You should see a confirmation banner pop up, letting you know the export is underway. You're free to go about your business, as the export will continue to run in the background. This means you can work on other tasks without having to wait around. And there you have it. Exporting contacts from ActiveCampaign is that straightforward. In just a few steps, you've gained a downloadable file of the contacts you need, sorted and organized to your preference. Hopefully, this makes managing your email marketing efforts that much easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks.